Hola everyone, welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, and like always, I want to start by saying thank you guys so much for all the love and support that you guys have been giving me. Thanks for all the comments, the likes, the subscriptions. I really do appreciate it. If you are new here, what are you waiting for? Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the little ring notification bell so you are aware of when I post any future content, anything related to beauty, skincare, lifestyle with an occasional vlog. Also, I want to send my love and my blessings to everyone out there. I hope that everyone is still staying safe and healthy. Yeah. So anyway, moving forward, I'm kind of excited about today because I do know what this box entails. I know like 2 out of the few items that this one does have. And today we are doing a Boxycharm premium unboxing. So for those of you guys that don't know what Boxycharm is, basically Boxycharm is a monthly subscription that's $25. They also have a Boxycharm premium box that retails at $35 in Boxy Luxe. If you are interested in seeing a Boxy Luxe, I will post a little video up here because I did just film one and it is out already if you want to check it out. Boxycharm premium, like I said, is $35. It gives you 6 to 7 full-size items, anything that has to do with beauty or skincare, and even some like home stuff, lifestyle, which is pretty cool. And also the minimum that it retails, the values at is $175. So without further ado, let's go ahead and crack this little baby open and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is what the box looks like. It is a little bit larger than the Boxycharm base box. It actually is the same size as the Luxe that I did film earlier, like I was telling you guys before. When you open it up, this is what this one looks like. It actually has a blue interior part of the box. Alright, let's see. Let's go ahead and grab the first thing that I see here, which I know I really like. Oh, hold on. Backtrack. Just like Boxy Luxe, the theme of this month is the Oasis. For those of you that like to know the number of the box, this is 57, and I'm actually going to look up really quick to see how much the weight of this box is. Okay, so the weight of this box is 3.7 pounds, and I'm just gonna go ahead and dig into the first thing, like I said, is this one right here, and this is by the brand Glow Recipe. It is called the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. This one actually retails at $49. I have heard nothing but good things about this one. So let me tell you guys a little something. I totally forgot that for premium members, they were going to be getting this product in the box. So I went ahead and I added it onto a box that I had previously, which means that now I have 2 of them. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you guys what this one looks like, but I'm going to add the other one I have onto my giveaway that I'm going to be having very soon, as soon as I hit the 500 subscribers. So make sure that you guys are liking, commenting, and keeping subscribed to the channel so you can have a chance to win the giveaway, which is going to be pretty dope. It has a nice little variety of stuff. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Let me go ahead and open it. Alright, so here it is, the product. Here we go. It kind of looks like a slime, like a little thing of slime. I really like the packaging. It's super cute. Oh, let me go ahead and open. Smell. Okay, scent wise, doesn't smell. It smells very clean. It kind of reminds me like that matcha type of scent. Let me go ahead and lower this lighting a tiny bit so I can kind of show you the color of it. As you can see, it's a little bit, it actually almost reminds me of the color of my nails. There's no particular smell, but it smells pretty clean. It's not like nothing strong or anything like that. This is actually supposed to go on your face. So let me go ahead and tell you that. It is a sleeping mask. It's supposed to be for nourishing your face, and it has rich avocado, and it's supposed to be very gentle and effective that helps to improve the elasticity and to reveal smoother, hydrated skin with every use. So I'm not complaining. I'm actually really excited for this one. Like I said, I've heard nothing but good things about this, which is why I ordered an extra one that I did not realize. So hopefully somebody else will be able to win the other one. Moving forward here, we have something by the brand Living Proof, and this is for your hair. It's a leave-in conditioner, and this one retails at $30. Conditioner is a treatment that transforms your damaged hair by smoothing and protecting. The packaging is super cute. It's like a little lavender. This is what the little applicator looks like. And I just want to try it to see if it's, oh, okay. Yeah, it's a little cream. I wasn't sure if it was going to be a spray or foam, but like you can see. So I'm going to just go ahead and put this at the tips of my hair just to kind of see what the smell looks like. It's probably not going to do a whole bunch of anything to it right now, but I just kind of wanted to smell it. It smells really good, actually. That smells amazing. This is not anything that I would put on my hair normally right now, but it just smells amazing, and it's supposed to be really good for your hair. So that's the second item in the box. Moving on over here, we have, this is something that I wanted as well. I don't know why, I just thought it was kind of cute. It is a little brush. Now this brush retails at $30. It is by the brand $1 Billion Brows, and it's basically to be able to contour and also to apply little target areas to give you like a sculpted look. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it has like a little flat diagonal head right here, and the other small part is right there. Nice and soft. This one can kind of go under, and then this one can contour you up like that. So it's actually really nice. I'm going to move on to the next part of the box. That way I can actually try the brush. And this I'm mad excited about because you know, a lot of people don't really like Too Faced products, but I do. I don't know. I like the packaging and I really like the products a lot. This is the next product in the box that I have here. This retails at $44 and it is a contour palette. I did see this on the website and I absolutely loved it. So I'm really happy that the premium members did receive this in the box. Just like other little palettes that they have, it has a little booklet in here and it kind of shows you how to contour, how to highlight and things like that. So it's actually pretty nice to have. And look at this packaging, guys. It's so bronzy gold. It's just really, really cute. I'm going to go ahead and open this up for you guys. It does have a big mirror. I'm going to block that so I don't blind you guys. And these are the colors. Alright, so it looks like they have a light highlight, a medium highlight, a deep highlight, light contour, medium contour, and deep contour. So it's really nice so you can kind of get the variety of different skin tones in here. I'm going to go ahead and do some swatches. Why not? Let me start off with the highlighters. Okay guys, I hope you can see the lighting, but from top to bottom we have light highlight, medium, and deep. I really hope you guys can see that. And then next I'm going to go ahead and swatch the contour colors. Alright, and I went ahead in the three lower ones. It's the light contour, the medium contour, and the deep contour. Now, although I really love the texture of it, it's very smooth and there's not a whole lot of fallout in the pan. I'm kind of disappointed in the fact that it's not as pigmented as I thought. As I was doing the swatches, I actually had a double swatch or triple swatch a couple of times to kind of get the good color. So what I'm going to do really quick, just to kind of get like an overall idea of how the brush works and how the palette works, I'm going to just go ahead and dig into this little medium light, and I'm going to put this right here just to kind of see how it, ooh, okay, never mind, it's actually really pretty. Alright, I already did have highlight on, so it's kind of hard to decipher if it's actually from what I previously had on or if it is this one. I know that this is a highlighting palette, but it really doesn't give me a highlighting feel. It kind of feels like a brightener. So I'm just going to go ahead for shits and giggles. I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit under just to see if it actually helps brighten up the eye. What I will say is that the brush is very nice because this little area is very nice to kind of get the preciseness in underneath your eye. I'm going to go ahead and dig into this medium contour with the bigger side of the brush, and I'm just going to see what it looks like. Okay, I know you probably can't tell much on camera. Let me go ahead and zoom you guys in. I should have done this again before, but I actually really did like the bronzer. The bronzer, you can tell the brush application is absolutely phenomenal because you do feel like it's kind of actually giving you that little contour. The bronzers are definitely better for me than the highlights. I don't know, there's something about the highlights that are not so highlighting, but like I said, I love the texture and I do like the bronzers a lot, so I will definitely be using that. Moving on to the next thing in the box, and this is by Milk Makeup. This retails at $15 and it is a glow lip oil and for cheek as well. This is in the shade Halo. Now, I actually did receive one of these in my box, I believe last month, but I was able to pick a customization and I didn't really like the customizations that I had option-wise. So I went ahead and I picked this one because I did not have the shade. And to tell you the truth, I actually really liked it last time. The only downfall to this, I would say, is the size. So, I mean, it's coming in the box, it's alright. I don't know that I would necessarily pay $15 for this because it's actually really tiny. Although the packaging is cute, it's just too small for me. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this up and let's give you a little swatch. Alright. Hopefully you can see that. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit on my lips. Ooh, okay. It definitely made them pinker. And I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit on my cheeks as well. I'm We have some visitors, guys. What are you guys doing? Both of my dogs just came in here. Sorry about that. Literally in the middle of recording. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and just rub this in a little bit. On my lips, I absolutely love it. It gives it that really pretty blush pink. On my cheeks, it actually turned out a little bit more orangey, which is kind of funny. I didn't really think it would be like that. But nevertheless, I actually do really like this product. It's kind of crazy that it's so small, but I do really like the product. And last but not least, I have something in here that I did not know was coming. The packaging on this looks pretty cool and pretty big. This is by the brand Grace and Stella, and I guess it's their face masks. This is how big it is, so it takes over the whole entire packaging. This actually says that it retails at $25, and it says that obviously as we get older, our body's natural collagen breaks down and depletes from accumulated exposure to environmental pollution, free radicals, and UV rays, which is why it's important to use face masks. And this is supposed to be for energizing. Yeah, that's right, that's how you say it. Energizing, and to diminish the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by boosting collagen production and rejuvenating the skin. Who doesn't want that? I honestly, I'll open them up to see kind of how it comes, but this is pretty large, and I believe that it comes with six masks. So let me go ahead and open this just to kind of see what it is. Oh, okay. Alright guys, I'm back. I had a little difficult time opening up the box, and I thought that was going to be like 6 small masks, but the reason why the packaging is so wide and big, I totally get now, is because this is how big they are. They're actual legit face masks. I thought there were smaller ones, like the little sheeted ones. This thing is huge, look at this. So in order for them to be stored properly, that's why they have them in this really cool box. And it's actually kind of cute. I don't know if you can see, but here it says, good choice. The packaging is actually really cute. I get it now. At first I was kind of like, alright, they're being a little extra with this packaging, but I didn't realize the masks were that big. I obviously will not be trying this on camera right now, but I'm going to keep it because I do want to try them. I'm really excited. I've tried the brand before, but never those masks. So should be interesting. So that's basically all I have in the month's box for premium. Honestly, I really like this box so far. So I'm going to go ahead and just add up everything and let you guys know exactly how much the value of everything is, okay? Right back. Okay guys, so after totaling up everything in the box, I realized that it came out to $193. That's actually really good. The premium box is usually minimal, is $175. At the end of the day, you're only paying 35 bucks. I have been kind of struggling whether or not I want to keep the premium boxes versus the base box lately. However, I'm not gonna lie, this premium box is probably my favorite in a little while. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys that for my number 1 choice, I would have to say that the Too Faced Contour Palette is the one that I would definitely choose out of everything first. Reason being is I really like the bronzer. I like the highlight. I just didn't think it was as in your face highlight as I thought. However, I already am wearing makeup, so maybe that's why. So I'm giving that the benefit of the doubt. Moving on to number 2 in my book, I would go with the little brush. I really like the way it feels. It's really soft, and I like the precision of it, not only for under your eye and like little parts around your face, but just the angle one that gets that little contouring right there. Number 3, I would have to go with the Glow Recipe Avocado Melts. I think that this would be so nice to sleep in, especially if you keep it in your skincare fridge like the one that I have. I think it would be nice to kind of cool your skin as you sleep. I just think it would be very nice. So that's number 3. Moving on, I would have to go with the Milk Products, which is the little blush one for your lips and for your cheeks. As you can see, it did give me like a little orangey kind of tint on my face here, but my lips are nice and pink, which I don't mind, especially for the summer. Next, I would go with the face masks. Although I have not tried these, I think these are actually really cool. I'm really eager to try them out and just see how they are. And last but not least, I would have to go with the Live Proof. I have had products before, and sometimes, although I like them, I feel like my hair ends up looking a little bit oilier. So I'm hoping that this doesn't do it, but that's the only reason why this one comes in last place for me. But like I said, overall, I really think it's a good box because it gives you a little bit of everything. You know, like as far as face, makeup, hair, it gives you a nice variety. So honestly, I really like this Boxycharm Premium for this month. However, let me know what you guys think. I want to know, I'm curious, and let me know if you guys want me to continue doing the premium, base, and luxe unboxings, because this month I didn't realize that I had 3 boxes to unbox, and sometimes I feel like you guys might not be interested, or maybe you are. So definitely let me know in the comment box. Let me know what your favorite item was, and of course, don't forget to check out the other Boxy Luxe the other Boxycharm unboxing that I did, which is for BoxyLuxe for this month. So like always, everyone stay nice, healthy, and safe. Many blessings to everybody. Thank you guys so much for the love, for subscribing, for all the love and support that you guys have been giving me. Yeah, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Ciao!